Hey, it is another day. Today is Tuesday. Today is Tuesday. And I came on here to tell y'all something. Y'all ain't gonna believe this. But y'all know I ain't got good sense anyway. Um, but I hope everyone is doing well. And for those of you who do not know me, my name is Stacy. I like to do home decor, room makeovers, vlog, cleaning. And if you like the contents of that stuff, please hit the subscribe button and the bells next to it. Not bells, the bell next to it. So every time I upload a video, you will be notified. Yes, I am whispering because, yeah, I'm at urgent care. Nope. I'm at, well, yeah, urgent care. Fast med urgent care. Let me show y'all. So, yeah. So, I am not here because I'm sick. I am here because I am doing a physical. Yes, I'm doing a physical. And the reason for my physical, y'all, your girl quit her job today. I know it's not funny, but your girl quit her job today. So I went and got another job today. So that is why I am at FastMed. So I come into work this morning. Well, I didn't work yesterday because yesterday, what did I do? Oh, I had a doctor's appointment yesterday. So I come in today and I get my truck, I get my load, and I'm going on about my business. So I stopped to get fuel because it was on E. That truck was on E. So I stopped to get fuel. So after I got the fuel, I go to start the truck up, and I can't because the trailer brake and the regular air brake is popping back out because I'm losing air. And I'm saying, why am I losing air? I wasn't losing air before I came over to this, before I left the yard. So I'm losing air. So I called the yard, I called mechanics, and they said, bring it back to the yard so we can see what's going on. So I did that, brought it back to the yard. So I told my dispatcher what was going on, and they're like, okay, no, not they. He was like, okay, I'm gonna put you in another truck. So Lord and behold, he give me the truck number. I go to the truck. First of all, I'm gonna show y'all the pictures, but first of all, before I even get inside the truck, the back of the mirror is missing, and I'm saying, oh boy, oh boy. So then I open the truck door, and like, I can't make this up, y'all. I can't make this up. I am going to put up a picture either here or over here. Y'all know I don't know the difference. But I'm going to put a picture up so you can see what's going on in this truck. So I called dispatch. I said, come outside. He comes outside. I show him the truck. So he gets so excited. I don't have control over the trucks that y'all get. I said, hold on. I said, hold on. It's not that serious. We do not have to get upset. I said, because I have control over me getting in that truck. I know you don't have control over who gets what truck, but I got control over me if I want to get in there or not, and I choose not to. So I said, if I have to take this truck, I'll go home. He says, they ain't going to take too kindly to that. Y'all, hold on, y'all. So, y'all, that remind me of some old slave story or something. Dang, Master ain't going to take too kind to that. What is that? But anyway, so I said, listen, I could do you one better. I'm going to resign. That's all. Oh, well, this is him. Oh, well, okay. So he goes and he talks to, he said, let me go get the terminal manager. So, and mind you, like I told him, let's not be mad at each other. This is not a situation where you have to be mad. I chose to leave. I'm not mad. So why you mad? I gotta pay my bills, not you. What you mad about? So, excuse me, y'all. My lips is dry. But, so he talks to the terminal manager. Me and the terminal manager, we cool, we get along. He calls me in his office. He's like, hey, what's going on? So I explained everything that I just told y'all is what I told him. And I showed him the pictures. I said, I have pictures. So he saw the pictures. He like, I wouldn't get in it either. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Like, I gotta be responsible for me. I gotta take care of me at the end of the day. I mean, this is not my business. So I'm not that concerned about his load, the owner's load getting to where it need to get to. So I explained everything and I showed him. He said, I wouldn't get in that truck either. But he said, to be honest, like, yo, you came at a bad time when we at our worst with our equipment. What? At your worst? Bad time? I don't know, man. These trucks look like they've been here quite some time. But anyway, okay. So I told him, and I said, I like your company, and I like y'all. Y'all very nice people. But listen, I have experience. These trucks is for people who probably just came out of class and they have to do this. I don't have to. Anybody will hire me. I could go get a job right now, which I am. That's why I'm at Fast Med. But the funny thing, I ain't even gonna tell y'all what kind of job it is. Maybe in my next, maybe in my next video is probably gonna be the part 2 of my closet. So maybe I'll mention it in there, but y'all gonna be like, what? But okay, y'all, I gotta go. And I hope that you guys are having an awesome day. And I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much for all your support. We done surpassed the 100 subscribers, like I said, and we're moving towards the 500 subscribers. So please continue to like and comment and share my videos, our videos actually, so we can just keep growing. And those of you who are not subscribed, please come join us. We would love to have you over here with the love bugs. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Goodbye.